with us. Red color, white color, white color, dark pink color, blue color, exactly, brown color, black color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, kids. The next one is exactly silver color, light pink color, yes, light green color, yellow color, dark green color. Now we are using the color of red and writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C for cat, C for cow. D. D for dog, doll. E for egg, E for elephant. E for egg, E for elephant. Exactly, sky blue color. Now we are using the color of sky blue, writing F. The next one is G. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. Silver color. Kids, now we are using the color of silver. L, M, N. The next one is O. P for penguin. Brown color, exactly. 1, the number of 1. 2, TWO2. 3, exactly. Kids, the next one is 4. FOUR. 4, 5, FIVE 5. 6, SIX 6. 7. The next one is 8. 9, NINE 9. The last one is 10. Stay with us. Red color, silver color, orange color, light green color, white color, blue color, light pink color, brown color, dark pink color. Stay with us. Dark green color, black color, sky blue color, yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Purple color to do with draw, writing, alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Orange color. 1. First we draw and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Dark pink color. The alphabet of G. The next one is H for hand. I for eyes. J for jackfruit. K, L. The next one is M for moon, M for mango. Light pink color. N for nose, N for nest. O. The next one is P, Q. R for rice. The next one is S for snake. T. The next one is U. Yellow color. V. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. The last one is Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Numbers 2, 1. The next one is 2. Dark green color, exactly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last one is 10. Subscribe to channel. Rose, big color. The next one is black color, cool gray color. Kids, the next one is yellow, green color. The next one is Persian blue color, geranium color. The next one is forest green color. Exactly, the next one is mint blue color. Stay with us. Pastel pink color. The next one is light violet color. The next one is emerald green color. Vivid purple color. Now we're using the color of vivid purple, writing the alphabet A, B, C, D, E. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. Now we're using the color of yellow, green. Writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. Stay with us. H for hand. I. The next one is J. K. The next one is L. L for lemon, L for lion. Now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of M. M. N. The next one is O, exactly. P. Q. Kids, the next one is R. The next one is S. T. U. The next one is V. V for van. Now we're using the color of black. W. The next one is X. Y. The last one is Z. The next one is numbers. Now we're writing numbers. Pastel pink color. The number of 1. The next one is 2. The number of 3, exactly. 4, F-O-U-R. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6, S-I-X. 7. The number of 8. The next one is 9. 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. First we're opening colors. Light, dark green color. Dark pink color. Red color, orange color, silver color, yellow color, sky blue color, purple color. The next one is light pink color, light green color. Stay with us. White color, black color, blue color, brown color. Exactly. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yes, orange color. A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're using the color of blue. I. The next one is J. K. The next one is L. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose and for nest. Kids, the next one is O. P. P for penguin. Now we're using the color of light pink. Writing the alphabet of number of 1. The next one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S-I-X, 6. Now we're using the color of silver. Writing 7, 8. The next one is 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Deep olive green color, deep olive green color, scarlet color, scarlet color, yellow color, yellow color. The next one is pale pink color, pale pink color, cream color, cream color, warm gray color, warm gray color, coral red color, coral red color, lavender color, lavender color, baby blue color, baby blue color, vivid green color, vivid green color, raw silk color, raw silk color. Kids, the next one is pale blue light color. Stay with us. Scarlet color, alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. The next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. Lavender color. Exactly, lavender color. J for joker. K. K. The next one is L. L for lemon. M. N. The next one is O. P. P. Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. Deep olive green color. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for snake. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Cream color. Cream color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. The next one is 3. Kids, stay with us. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. 7. The next one is 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. The last one is 10. T-E-N. Vivid green color, exactly. The alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C for cow. Kids, the next one is D. Stay with us. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for elephant. F. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for God. H for hand. I. I for eyes. Baby blue color. J for joker. The next one is K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. Exactly. The next one is O. The alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. Pale pink color. S. Kids, the next one is T. T for tiger. U for umbrella, exactly. The next one is V. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Now we're using the color of yellow and writing the alphabet of Y. The last one is Z. Now we draw numbers. 1. The next one is 2, exactly. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 4. F-O-U-R. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. 8. Kids, the next one is 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.